Today is July 28th, Thursday afternoon. Taking video of my 2014 California Touring 1400. The bike is not really that clean, but I'm not the type of guy who detail my bike every day. Once a week I give it a nice wash. The bike is totally cold. We're gonna start cold. Has the Mistral muffler. Nice, very nice. It sounds very nice. The car is just very much perfect. Just need to be clean. Tires are in great shape in the front. Just about 2,000 miles on it. Here's the bike. And let me see here. Just in case somebody curious, I also have 06 soft tail. Beautiful one. Need to sell just one of them. Anyway, this is the Motto Guzzi. Good till April 2023. Let's see what it sounds like. I just did all the fluid to it, including brake fluid, clutch fluid, engine, transmission, and the rear gear as well. So what we do here, we turn this on. Then after that, we turn the alarm system off. And you just push start.